Presenting the Amazon Basics 500-watt mixer and grinder with 3 jars suitable for everyday use. The 500-watt copper motor offers durable performance of leak-proof grinding and mixing. The food-grade SS304 stainless steel and multifunctional robust blades gives you super fine mixing and grinding results even at high temperatures. The product comes with 3 high-grade SS202 jars such as 1.25 liters of liquidizing jar, dry or wet jars of 1 liter and chutney jar of 0.4 liters. Food-grade rubber gaskets on the jar lids protect them from daily exposure to oil, chemicals and water, making them durable and long-lasting. This product is easy to operate and it comes with detachable parts which makes it easy to clean as well. This product features inbuilt motor overload protector is for users' safety. The Amazon Basic 500-watt mixer grinder comes with 1 year of limited warranty. You can pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. 10-day return or replacement policy for damaged or defective product. For further information, visit the product detail page.
Butterfly presents 500-watt Hero Mixer Grinder with 3 jars. It has aesthetically designed ABS body that provides durability and stability. The 500-watt powerful motor allows you to grind and blend tough food ingredients. The motor is enabled with auto cutoff function against overload. This feature ensures long life of the motor. The special ventilator prevents the motor from heating. It has sturdy handles for better grip. It comes with 3 stainless fixed razor sharp blades for different grinding applications. The 3 speed levels with whip settings allow you to choose different speed levels depending upon the application need. The special rubber shoes help in keeping the appliance in place by preventing it from moving or sliding while in use. Visit the product detail page to know more about warranty, scheduled delivery and EMI options.
Presenting the Bajaj Rex Mixer Grinder. It is available in white color. It comes with a 500-watt motor that is powerful enough to perform all grinding and blending functions. It also features vacuum feet for ease of operation, preventing it from sliding. Motor overload protection feature automatically turns off the motor in case of overheating. The Rex Mixer Grinder comes with 3 jars, a 1.2 liter liquidizing jar, a 0.8 liter dry grinding jar and a 0.3 liter chutney jar that can be used for dry and wet grinding, liquidizing and making chutney. All the jars are made of high-quality stainless steel which prevents rusting. It also comes with easy grip jar handles. The multifunction blade system with 20,000 RPM mixing speed enables you to grind and blend ingredients of varying textures easily. The mixer grinder has a sleek and sturdy rust-proof ABS plastic body. The 3-speed setting with incher allows you to control the speed of the motor according to your need and preference. Inside the box, you will find mixer grinder, warranty card, instruction manual and service details. The product comes with standard brand warranty. You can pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. 10-day replacement policy for damaged or defective product. For delivery, please refer to product detail page. Prime members get free delivery. For further information, visit the product detail page.
Presenting the Amazon Basics Premium Mixer Grinder in black and grey color. It has a powerful 750-watt motor to perform all kinds of heavy grinding and blending functions in the kitchen. The copper motor ensures longevity and smooth, quiet operation. It is also equipped with motor overload protector that automatically turns off if the motor is overheating, thus increasing durability. This Amazon Basics Mixer Grinder comes with 3 multi-purpose steel jars and a juicer jar. The stainless steel jars have a capacity of 400 milliliter, 1 liter and 1.5 liter and can be used for liquidizing, dry or wet grinding and making chutneys. The capacity of the juicer jar is 1.5 liter and it comes with an internal mesh. The lids of the jars are equipped with food-grade silicone rubber gaskets for a leak-proof grinding and mixing experience. The high-grade 304 stainless steel blades have a long life and provide superfine mixing and grinding results even at higher temperatures. The mixer grinder comes with anti-skid legs that offer firm grip through suction, making it safer and more effective to use. It comes with a 3-speed selector knob with pulse function that lets you control the speed of the rotating blades depending upon your requirements. The mixer grinder is also ISI certified, making it safe to use. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For delivery and installation, please refer to product detail page. Prime members get free delivery. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.
Presenting the Butterfly Smart Mixer Grinder in grey color. It has a powerful 750 watt motor to perform all kinds of heavy grinding functions in the kitchen. It is also equipped with an automatic overload cutoff facility that ensures safety for your appliance. The main body of the mixer grinder is made of ABS plastic and it comes with 3 rust-free stainless steel jars. It also has an additional polycarbonate juicer jar with an easy-to-use pusher. The jar lids are made of high-grade polycarbonate material that makes them heat-proof and shatter-resistant. The jars are also equipped with strong and sturdy handles which provides a firm grip, ensuring no slippage. The razor-sharp rotator blades have an RPM of 17,000 to 20,000 that helps in precise cutting and chopping. The Butterfly Smart Mixer Grinder comes with a user-friendly 3-speed rotating knob with whip function that helps you adjust the speed as per your requirements. It also has an LED light to indicate the power on status. The vacuum rubber shoes at the bottom gives the mixer grinder a firm grip. This product comes with 2 years warranty. You can pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. 10-day replacement policy for damaged or defective product. For delivery and installation, please refer to product detail page. For further information, visit the product detail page.